Instead of Black history and biology feeling like just checking off a box, it should look like embedding scientists' work into what we're learning. I'm going to show you how I go about making a resource about Dr. Kizzmekia Kizzy Corbett that does that. My initial brainstorming was based off what I already kind of knew about Dr. Corbett and my research into how mRNA vaccines were made. It's me thinking through how I could tie these things to concepts that I actually teach in my biology class. I really like using these as EOC spiral review, so I try to connect multiple topics when I can. Next, we're going to go on to my handy dandy whiteboard while I look up some of Dr. Corbett's research to flesh out that brainstorming a bit more. Okay, so I've made my outline with the help of Google Scholar, some news sites, and Apple News. And these are all the sources that I used. I made a general template, so I add kind of my outline, and now all that's left to do is fill it in. And now everything is filled out. All that I have left to do is to make the answer key, put in teacher guidance, and proofread it. I like to do that about 24 hours after I finish making it so that I have fresh eyes and I don't quite as easily remember what I was trying to say so that I can catch errors. This activity gets into the differences between animal cells, bacterial cells, and viruses, a little bit on cell membranes, and mostly on protein synthesis. It is currently February 7th, so it'll probably go up into the lab tomorrow on February 8th and be available to everybody else on the 9th. And I'll be sending this in an update email to everybody who's already purchased the Black History Month Bell Ringer bundle. Let me know if you like this kind of behind the scenes of the process and if you would like to see more of these or more detailed versions of these. And stay curious, y'all.